Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start eating.
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you probably do it again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Chipotle and it smells good. It looks good. Your mouth watering?
Watering as always. This is the time I like.
So before we go any further, I do want to show you guys my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at?
Okay guys, I hope you liked my outfit of the day. We are going to dig in. Now, my husband and I, we basically have the same thing. The only difference today is that he got onions and green pepper. Yeah. I didn't get that today, but we have the same thing, which is, well, no, you have...
I have the chicken. I have chicken and the shredded beef.
Yes, and he has white rice.
White rice.
We call it cilantro rice because there's more cilantro than rice in this rice sometimes. And then I have brown rice. So, but we both have shredded beef. We both have chicken. We have corn. We have cheese. I have brown rice, and we did cut up some of our own pear, aka avocado, because we wanted to eat that.
And that's good. You know why we have the same thing?
Oh.
What you don't eat, I will.
I should have got some pork.
No, see? Good thing me come with you today, no? Alright. Can I start to eat now?
Yes, we can start and eat. We're gonna
Today's
dig
what?
in.
Fast Food Friday. No cooking. The chef is off today.
Chef is off today.
Put some of my pepper.
This is the shredded beef.
Come on, show them my things.
You guys can have that first bite.
Get them back.
Yes.
Now, you know I gotta put my sweet baby raised, you know. That's two.
That's good today.
Well.
So, they're probably wondering why yours is not in a bowl.
Because, you know, I can't get to it.
Yeah, my husband,
the way I want to.
He wants to be able to dig into the food, and he feels like the bowl is preventing him from doing that. So.
What do you need? Want some sauce?
Me on the water.
Oh, snap. Got the video. Gotta go get that water.
Okay, we're gonna go get me a bottle of water. We'll be back.
We're back.
I got my water.
Can't have the first day of day choking, you know? Can't work.
Oh, gosh.
Chipotle.
Chipotle, they do have what am I? What do you call it again?
Talk to me.
Guacamole.
Guacamole, what do you think?
They do have guacamole, but I can't see myself. They want $2 for this little thing right here of guacamole. It's like this little.
And you can make it yourself.
We can make it ourselves, or we can just buy some pear, which is the same thing.
Didn't you make guacamole the other day? With a dip?
It came out really good.
Let's go back that boy. Couldn't manage a little boy. Can't manage it, man. What happened? You got extra cheese?
Yeah, I love extra cheese on it. Their cheese is so good.
Extra cheese
and extra corn.
Extra corn. I see it over there. You're right here. Don't worry. I'll get you up later.
I don't know why Chipotle put so much cilantro in the rice. Gosh.
I started to make one cilantro rice.
I wonder if they sell just plain brown rice or plain white rice.
I don't think so, because they don't have it.
I know.
You can't read the pear?
But, what if somebody's allergic to cilantro?
That's what I'm saying.
I guess they can't have Chipotle. They put cilantro in everything.
Just buy the meat. Thank God you let me know about this thing right here. She used to buy this. I used to say, what is that she buying? I said, damn. When did she let me try it? I said, it was over with.
It was a wrap.
Rapidly.
But we're gonna tell you the trick about Chipotle. Chipotle, you have to be fast. You have to know what you want. Cause if you don't know what you want, this ain't no restaurant where you can stand there and be like,
They move fast.
you gotta think fast.
They move fast. They caught me slipping the last time.
Last time we went there,
They caught me slipping, family. Trust me.
my husband forgot to order something or add something to his order because they were so fast. So I was like, I told him, I said, no, when you go there, you gotta be prepared. Know what you want.
Right.
Because they move so fast, and it's like, by the time they move over, and you get in the car, you're like, oh my gosh, I didn't ask them for this, you know?
Should I tell them give me some extra rice too, you know?
You should have.
Yeah. They just shredded beef.
That's a lot of beef.
A lot of beef, don't worry.
They give you a lot of
Seasoned rice too.
It is.
You know why she give me a lot of beef? Because she know that she didn't give me extra rice. She can't see it on my face, so I'm kind of vexed, isn't it?
That's true.
First thing she said to me, you know what she said? You look like you could eat. And she shot my rice. So she'll make it up with the meat. Yeah, man. Our quarantine fast food Friday. You know? But I ain't gonna lie, their food be seasoned though, right?
They do a good job. They really do.
Seasoned. You know we had.
You must have. I should have ordered pork.
No, you know we are glad to get the same thing doing the first lady.
I should have ordered pork.
So when you order pork, you don't want to give me none.
That's right.
No worry, man.
This guy, if you go to a restaurant,
Stop telling people business. Right.
They gotta get to know you.
Why when I go to a restaurant? Tell them. My gosh.
I have to order. If I want to eat my food and enjoy it, like I enjoy all my food that I eat, right? That's why I ordered it. But if I want to really enjoy it, and I have to hear my husband saying, "You finished? You don't want no more. You're boss. You finished? You finished?" Because he's gonna eat the rest. I ordered pork.
I don't want to give me none.
Yes, I'm gonna eat it.
And you sometimes you don't even eat it.
I sure do.
You don't want.
But he still finds a way to eat something off my plate. But we eat each other's food anyway. But my husband be like, make sure say you know how to pork enough. I'm like, I feel like eating pork today.
Don't get it.
Pork.
Get it when I'm not there.
That's not gonna work.
Give me enough beef, man. She made enough.
Look, I said she shot you with the rice for real.
Yeah, she shot me the rice. I can't count the rice, them. You know, so when you can't count rice, that means you don't have enough rice, you know? That's the thing.
Right.
But she made it up for the meat, though. I love me some meat.
Yeah, I miss you, honey.
I gotta go back to the real world tomorrow.
I was gonna go to work tomorrow.
Enjoy my little vacation, though. My little 4-day. Somebody gotta do it.
When he goes to work, I still miss him. And the kids be like, oh, when's daddy coming home?
I chat too much when I'm there, man. Workflow. You know? Workflow, we'll be back at it again. Sunday?
Sunday.
You doing it down Sunday, huh?
I'm cooking Sunday.
Family, she's cooking Sunday. No? Don't tell them what you're cooking.
Oh, just gonna tell me?
No, don't. So I'm telling you, say you chat too much
Chat too much
sometimes.
for
Yeah.
real. For real.
Don't
Can't
tell
keep nothing.
Can't keep nothing on. Yeah, and just surprise them Sunday. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, their food is seasoned. I ain't gonna lie. Chipotle, that's a thumbs up for y'all. Mm-hmm.
And you know, it's not everyone has Chipotle either in the area.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. But if they do, they need to go check it out, right?
Mm-hmm. Check it out.
Sure do. And tell them 2 envy she needs to send you.
No, don't tell me that.
Use her code.
I'm gonna have the code.
Let's soon get code, alright?
You trying me?
Don't worry, let's soon get code. Go say I tell you, say she needs 2 envy.
The chicken is good.
Yeah, it is good. Everything is good.
So that cheese.
I like cheese in here, girl. First thing from mine, you know?
This morning I had a plantain sandwich.
Yeah.
Because I left so early.
Yeah, the short day today. Big worker. Boop, boop. Hard worker, man.
Somebody has to do it.
You do it.
And that's what you say.
If I don't do it, you gotta do it. So I do it on weekends.
What are you guys eating for your fast food Friday? Let us know in the comment section. You know, I be telling you people to let us know in the comment section and you guys don't say nothing. What's going on? We having a conversation.
It's alright. And soon start tell you.
Don't be stush now.
Man. Quiet today. Quiet today.
It's Friday.
Quiet today, son. I wanna get it right. I get it right, Well, love the grits, huh? Grits, I bought them, but one pepper one.
All those other peppers out there, nothing like Grace. Trust me. You want hot pepper? Get Grace.
Do a rumpy grits. Grace is the way.
I feel like we don't have anything to talk about today.
Sometimes you don't gotta talk, you know, sometimes you just eat, isn't it?
All the time you just eat.
That is the deal.
And I'm doing all the chatting.
I come in when there's nothing in my mouth, car. Hey, you boy, hurry.
I never had their burrito
No.
from Chipotle. I never had their burrito. Where they put the same exact things, but they just put it in a burrito and they wrap it. I don't know. I don't know if that's a lot of food.
The meat, right? And they put the rice and stuff in it too?
Everything.
Wow.
Yeah, if you want chicken, rice, whatever. Cheese. Everything that's in a bowl, you can have in a burrito.
Ooh. Wow. Well, we try that.
Excuse me. But I don't know if I can eat that.
Why?
Cause I think like it's a lot.
This is like right here. It's just in a little piece of dough.
But it's like, well, that's true.
They just put the same thing in the dough and just wrap it.
I don't know, flicking the food. Well, I feel like when it's in a bowl, in a wrap, the bread make it even more fulfilling. Because now you have rice and bread.
Yeah, but the bread not so thick.
That's cool.
No, I don't want no bread. I want rice. Right, every day I eat at one time. I can't eat up the roll up stuff right now. I want everything Right in my face. I go get it. I don't like nothing hard. Get it, you feel me?
Yep. Listen, guys, even though we had curry chicken yesterday, we were still talking about it. That curry chicken was on point.
Bang!
Did that ever happen to you? You're eating something that's just as good, and you're still talking about what you had the day before?
That mean it was good. I made the right choice today.
Yep.
We made the right choice of flat food today.
Yeah. We was thinking about getting the ganja.
La ganja.
The ganja. It's a Peruvian restaurant.
Yeah, my God, some of them probably have it too.
Might have that next week. This whole time, I thought it was a Spanish restaurant. And
real, right?
Remember? And my neighbor, my old neighbor, and she was like, "No, that's Peruvian food." And I was like, "Really?"
It didn't matter to me, as long as it's a food place.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta deal with it, Zimmer. Deal with it proper. Today's hot today.
I know. You want some of mine?
You ain't gotta have, just chill out and go and munch, man. Come on, come on.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Don't you, Tom?
It's a lot too.
Nah, show up on the thing, you see me?
Okay, here we go again. Listen to me.
Don't tell my secret, I just tell you, you know.
We're not that man.
Okay.
The people that know say you're already greedy, so you don't have to hide yourself now.
It was worth it. Wow. Woo! Yes.
It was good.
That one was decent. Okay, Chipotle, you get a thumbs up. You know what I'm saying?
Whew.
You get a thumbs up, right? I like that. But nothing better than your food.
Or your food.
Okay, or your food.
Or your food.
Okay, which is right.
Our food.
All right.
I'm full.
That was good.
Mm.
Good. I ain't getting nothing on the beer today, you know?
You're not gonna yam the pear.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pissed because since you tell me, I don't want to beat me.
Pear is good. Guys, this was a relaxed, chill day. It was a good day. It was a good Friday. If you have Chipotle in your area, go ahead and check them out and try it. You will love it.
And don't forget, tell them 2 Envy Shanice sends you. Okay? Trust me. You're true, First Lady.
Don't tell them nothing like that, yeah? But they tell you who?
Who?
2 Envy Shanice. Who? What? Yeah, look all embarrassed.
Not in here. But yeah.
Alright, guys, we are done. Excuse me, I'm stuffed. I can't eat another bite. Thank you so much for tuning in. And we always appreciate you guys taking the time to watch us. And remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The more you share, the more our video gets out there, and the more we can grow the channel. We can't grow without you, so we definitely appreciate them, right?
Just tell them come watch these 2 greedy people eat.
I mean, 1. I don't understand why he always involving me in his little mix-up. 1.
Yo, 1, 2 is a team. Alright, you know, you say us. So you name 2. I'll stop going like I be alone can name.
So, okay, guys, I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You have a great weekend, and we will see you soon, okay? Bye!
Yeah. Remember when she told you she was about the Benjamins? She fell in lust with your rims on your big body Benz. Girl, you gave it up so easy, you ain't even fooling him. If you did it then you're probably
my bumper, rolling, rolling my bumper, rolling, rolling my